Welcome to Broadcom's guide on how to use our latest innovation, the PON optical power meter. This compact yet powerful device is designed to simplify your fiber optic testing process. Let's walk through the steps together. At the top of the power meter, you'll notice 4 ports, each serving a specific function. The first port, labeled as OLT, stands for optical line terminal. The second port, ONT, is for the optical network terminal. The third port, OPM, is where you connect for testing with the optical power meter. The fourth port, VFL, is used for the visual fault locator. Begin by powering on the device. Once it's ready, connect the cables accordingly. Plug the cable from the OLT into the first port. Next, connect the cable from the ONT into the second port. The device will automatically display the test results on the screen. You should see readings such as 1310 nanometers with a power level of 0.75 dBm for the ONT and 1490 nanometers with -21.58 dBm for the OLT. These results help you verify that the ONT is functioning correctly and the signal levels are within acceptable ranges. To perform a different test, remove the cables from the OLT and connect a cable from the OLT into the third port, which is the OPM port. Change the test mode on the device to measure optical power at the same wavelength, such as 1490 nanometers. The display will again show the power level, for example, -21.58 dBm for the OLT, confirming consistent signal strength. For locating faults in fiber links, switch the device to the VFL, or visual fault locator mode. Connect the appropriate cable to the fourth port and activate the VFL. A visible laser beam will emerge, helping you pinpoint breaks or defects along the fiber.